Hello everyone and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today I'm bringing you a slightly different video. We won't be building any physical projects, but I want to take you on a journey into the amazing world of Arduino and show you its incredible potential. This video is primarily aimed at beginners who are just starting to explore this fascinating universe. If you're already an experienced maker, you might find some parts quite basic, but there are still plenty of useful technical details and insights even for you. Fair warning, the video is intentionally long because the topics we'll cover are truly fundamental for anyone approaching Arduino. I strongly recommend watching it all the way through. It will be extremely helpful for all the upcoming projects we'll build together. In the description you'll find a link to download the free PDF I prepared for you, containing everything we'll see tonight, diagrams, notes, and a complete summary. Now I'll hand it over to the screen. Enjoy, stay focused, and have fun. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here with R&M LAB GH. Let's jump to the PC. Happy watching, everyone. Component: Arduino Uno R3 original or high quality clone. Type: 8-bit AVR microcontroller development board. Key specs: Miku 8T Mega 328 PPU. Operating voltage 5V. Recommended input 712V barrel jack or VIN. Digitalize/O 14-pin 6 PWM capable 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Analog inputs 6 channels 10-bit 05V. Flash 32 KB 0.5 KB bootloader. SRAM 2 KB. EEPROM 1 KB. Clock 16 MHz ceramic resonator/crystal. USB to serial CH340 or a TMaker 16.0. Current price/O pin 20mm 40mm max. 3.3V regulator 50mm max. Our options: USB 5V, DC jack 712V, thin pin, built-in 5V and 3.3V pins. The most popular, best documented, and most compatible board in the world. Every tutorial, library and shield works with it. A true start here board for absolute beginners and pros alike. Component: breadboard power supply module. Type: dual 3.3V/5V output module. Key specs: input 6.512V DC barrel jack or 5V USB. Output: selectable 3.3V and /or 5V jumper. Mass current 700 mA per rail. 2 independent rails top/bottom with on/OFF switch each. Power LED indicator. Male header pins direct breadboard fit. Pin out. VIN 6.512V. G&D 3.3V out. 5V out. Clean, safe and stable power for the whole breadboard without loading. Arduino's regulator essential for multi-sensor projects. 830-point breadboard. The 830-point breadboard is a solderless prototyping board designed for creating electronic circuits quickly, cleanly, and with full reusability. It features a main area with 630 connection points, arranged in central rows for placing components, and 200 additional points dedicated to the power rails located along the sides. The internal connections are pre-structured to allow easy insertion of resistors, IC, LED, sensors, and jumper wires without the need for soldering or additional tools. It is widely used in education, electronic prototyping, robotics, and experimentation with microcontrollers such as Arduino. Standard jumper wires. Standard jumper wires are designed to create quick and reliable connections between electronic components on breadboards and prototyping boards. Made with high-quality conductive wires and durable plastic insulation, they provide long-lasting and stable connections without the need for soldering. Available in multiple colors to simplify the identification of connections, they are ideal for educational experiments, electronics projects, microcontrollers, and rapid prototyping. Thanks to their flexible construction, they allow easy insertion into breadboard holes and secure component connections. Standard LED. LEDs, light-emitting diodes, are semiconductor devices that emit light when an electric current passes through them. They are available in various sizes and colors, offer long lifespan and low energy consumption, and are used in applications such as indicators, displays, small circuit lighting, and electronic projects. Thanks to their efficiency and ease of use, standard LEDs are fundamental components for prototyping and electronic devices. RGB LED. RGB LED red, green, blue are devices with 3 integrated color channels, allowing a wide range of colors by combining the primary components. They can be individually controlled or managed via a microcontroller to adjust color, brightness, and lighting effects. They are used in decorative applications, displays, programmable lighting, and creative electronics projects, offering versatility and strong visual impact. Mini push button. The mini push button is a momentary switch designed to activate electronic circuits with a simple press. Made with durable materials, it provides a crisp click and reliable response with every actuation. It can be used in prototyping projects, electronic devices, microcontrollers, and any application requiring precise and temporary control of current flow. Thanks to its compact size, it can be easily integrated into breadboards or prototyping boards without occupying significant space. Component: K-40 rotary encoder module. Type: incremental rotary encoder plus push button. Key specs: operating voltage 3.3 V 5 V, 20 pulses per 360 degrees rotation, built-in push button on shaft press, integrated 10K omega pull-up resistors, dead bounce capacitors already on board, output CLK phase, DTP phase, SW button plus and GND, 5-pin header easy breadboard connection. Pin out: CLK right arrow digital pin phase A, TT right arrow digital pin phase B, SW right arrow digital pin button, right arrow 5V or 3.3V, GND right arrow GND. Perfect for menus, volume control, precise positioning and navigation in projects, one of the most useful inputs after buttons and potentiometers. Component: K-23 dual axis XY joystick module. Type: analog joystick plus push button. Key specs: operating voltage 3.3 V 5V, X and Y axis 2 times 10K omega potentiometers analog output, center position approximately 2.5 VVCC/2, built-in push button press joystick down, output VRXX axis, VRYY axis, SW button plus 5V GND, 5-pin header. Pin out: VRX right arrow analog pin X, VRY right arrow analog pin Y, SW right arrow digital pin button, right arrow 5V, GND right arrow GND. The easiest way to add 2-axis analog control plus select button. Perfect for games, camera pan/tilt, robot direction, menu navigation, and DIY controllers. Component: 4x4 matrix membrane keypad 16 keys. Type: numeric plus letters membrane keyboard. Key specs: 16 keys, 09D*#. Operating voltage 3.3 V 5V, 8-pin interface 4 rows plus 4 columns. Contact resistance 100 ohms. Ultra thin, flexible, adhesive back. No built-in pull-up resistors side externally or enable internal pull-up in code. Pin out standard. Pin 1 right arrow row 1. Pin 2 right arrow row 2. Pin 3 right arrow row 3. Pin 4 right arrow row 4. Pin 5 right arrow column 1. Pin 6 right arrow column 2. Pin 7 right arrow column 3. Pin 8 right arrow column 4. Perfect for passwords, phone dialers, calculators, menu selection and security projects. 16 buttons using only 8 Arduino pins. Component: infrared IR wireless remote control plus receiver kit. Type: 38K HCIR remote plus V1838B/DSO 4838 receiver. Key specs: remote 17 or 21 button 09 *# arrows, power, volume, etc. Carrier frequency 38 kHz. Operating voltage 3.5V. Remote uses CR2025/CR2032 coin battery. Receiver V1838B are compatible 3 pins. Integrated 38 kHz filter plus AGC plus demodulator. Detection range up to 810 m line of sight. Active low output logic 0 when signal received. Pin out receiver. PCC right arrow 3.3V or 5V, GND right arrow GND, OET right arrow digital pin usually pin 11 with IR remote library, R&M LAB GH, cheap and universal wireless control perfect for TV remote projects, menu navigation, robot control, home automation and anything you want to control without wires. Component 160216x2 LCD display module with I2C backpack. Type character LCD 16 columns times 2 rows. Key specs: operating voltage 5V, backlight 5V, logic 3.35V tolerant, HT 44780 compatible control. Usually sold with the I2C backpack PC 8574 right arrow, only 4 wires needed. Contrast adjustable via potentiometer. Blue or green background plus white/black characters. Backlight on/off eye jumper or code. Pinout with I2C backpack, the one we use. VCC right arrow 5V. GND right arrow GND. SDA right arrow for Arduino/pin 20 mega. SEL right arrow Arduino/pin 21 mega. The cheapest and clearest way to display text, sensor values, menus and debug messages without a computer must-have for any serious project. 4-digit 7-segment LED display TM1637. This is a compact and efficient 4-digit 7-segment LED display. It has bright digits with a 0.36 common cathode design. You control it using only 2 data pins and 5V. It shows numbers from 0 to 9999. The display updates quickly and accurately. It is perfect for counters, timers, and other numeric projects. Its small size makes it ideal for breadboards, prototypes, and embedded systems. Component: relay module 10 or 1 channel 5V. Type: opto-isolated high current relay module. Key specs: coil voltage 5V, trigger low level active LOW or high level version, optocoupler isolation plus flyback diode, max switching 250 VAC/30 VDC at 10A, LED indicator power plus relay status, screw terminals for NO/NC/COM, 3-pin header VCC GND in signal, pin out, VCC right arrow 5V, GND right arrow GND, in right arrow digital pin Arduino. Safely control real-world high-powered devices, lamps, motors, appliances, 220V outlets from Arduino, the bridge between low-voltage electronics and real from Arduino, the bridge between low-voltage electronics and real power. Component: THT22AN2302 digital temperature and humidity sensor. Type: single-wire digital sensor 1-wire protocol. Key specs: operating voltage 3.3V 5.5V, temperature range -40 degrees C to +80 degrees C plus or minus 0.5 degrees C, accuracy. Humidity range 0-100% RH plus or -2% accuracy. Sampling rate max 1 reading every 2 seconds. 4-pin version, only 3 use built-in 510K omega pull-up resistor recommended. Pinout standard 4-pin package. Pin 1 right arrow VCC 3.35V. Pin 2 right arrow data digital pin plus 10K omega pull-up to VCC. Pin 3 right arrow NC not connected. Pin 4 right arrow GND. High precision temperature plus humidity in one tiny sensor, perfect for weather stations, incubators, greenhouses, smart home and environmental monitoring projects. Component: water level/raindrop sensor module. Type: analog plus digital water detection sensor. Key specs: operating voltage 3.3V 5V, dual output, AO right arrow analog voltage 0.5V proportional to water level, do right arrow digital high/LOW with adjustable threshold 5 potentiometer. Sensing area with exposed traces, detects water depth or droplets. Onboard comparator LM393 plus power, LED plus status LED. Sensitivity adjustable with trimmer. Pinout: VCC right arrow 3.3V or 5V, GND right arrow GND, AO right arrow analog pin 0 fib, 2 right arrow digital pin threshold output. Essential for automatic plant watering, rain detection, tank level monitoring, flood alarms and aquarium projects. Cheap, simple and super useful in real life. Component KM-37 high sensitivity sound sensor module. Type analog plus digital microphone module. Key specs. Operating voltage 3.3 V 5 V. Built-in electric microphone plus LM393 comparator. Dual output. AO right arrow analog voltage real sound waveform 0.5 V. Do right arrow digital high/LOW with adjustable threshold via potentiometer. Sensitivity adjustable with onboard trimmer. Power LED plus status LED. In-out. PCC right arrow 3.3 V or 5 V. GND right arrow GND. AO right arrow analog pin for waveform or volume level. G right arrow digital pin clap/loud sound trigger. Perfect for clap-on lights, sound activated projects, noise level meters, voice control and security alarms. One of the most fun and easy sensors for beginners. Component DS1307 real-time clock RTC module. Type I2C real-time clock plus battery backup. Key specs. Operating voltage 4.5 5.5 V module. Timekeeping seconds, minutes, hours, day, date, month, year, leap year compensated. Accuracy ±2 pp until the 1 minute/month with 32.768 kHz crystal. I2C interface address CX68. Built-in trickle charger plus CR2032 battery holder keeps time even when Arduino is off. Onboard 24C32 EEPROM 32 kbit bonus storage. In-app. PCC right arrow 5V. GND right arrow GND. SDA right arrow F1/pin 20 MHz. SEL right arrow F1/pin 21 MHz. SQW right arrow optional square wave output not used usually. Adds real date and time to any project clock, data logger, alarm, automatic lighting, irrigation timer essential for anything that needs to know when. Component KM-32 infrared obstacle avoidance sensor module. Height IR emitter plus IR receiver plus comparator. Key specs. Operating voltage 3.3 V 5 V. Detection range 230 cm adjustable with onboard potentiometer. Output digital high equals no obstacle, LOW equals obstacle detected. Built-in IR LED 940 nm plus phototransistor. Onboard LM393 comparator plus status LED. Obstacle detection angle approximately 35 degrees. Pin out. PCC right arrow 3.3 V or 5 V. GND right arrow GND. OET right arrow digital pin active LOW when obstacle detected. EN right arrow enable pin usually jump to VCC or left floating. Perfect for line following robots, collision avoidance, smart cars, automatic doors and security systems. One of the most used sensors in beginner robotics. Component ITSR for ultrasonic distance sensor. Type sonar distance measurement non-contact. Key specs. Operating voltage 5V. Operating current till the 15 mA. Measuring range 2 cm 400 cm max till the 450 cm in perfect conditions. Accuracy ±3 mm. Measuring angle approximately 15 degrees. Sugar pulse 10 micros minimum. Echo pulse output width proportional to distance approximately 150 micros/cm. Pin out. VCC right arrow 5V. GND right arrow GND. Trigger right arrow any digital pin trigger input. Echo right arrow any digital pin echo output. The most popular, cheap and accurate way to measure distance essential for parking sensors. Robot obstacle avoidance, level meters, drones and smart dustbins. Component KM-12 active buzzer module 5V. Type active piezo buzzer built-in oscillator. Key specs. Operating voltage 3.3 V 5V. Frequency fixed till the 2.3 kHz. Current 20-30 mA. Just apply high right arrow beeps, LOW right arrow silent, no tone needed. 2-pin module. Pin out. VCC right arrow 5V / digital pin. GND right arrow GND. Instant sound feedback alarms button press confirmation game sounds countdown beeps. Component KM-6 passive buzzer module. Type passive piezo buzzer no oscillator. Key specs operating voltage 3.3V 5V. Needs tone function to generate frequency. Frequency range 1Hz tilde 20K Hz perfect for melodies. Current 20 mA. 2-pin module. Pin app. VCC right arrow digital pin PWM recommended. GND right arrow GND. Play real melodies, ringtones, Mario theme, Star Wars, etc. The musical soul of every project. Component digital capacitive touch sensor TTP223/DTP423B module. Type single channel capacitive touch button. Key specs operating voltage 2.0V 5.5V perfect 3.3V and 5V. Current consumption 10 microin standby tilde 2 active. Output digital high/LOW configurable toggle or momentary mode wide jump. Response time tilde 60 ms momentary /tilde 220 ms toggle. Sensitivity adjustable with onboard capacitor or solder pad. No mechanical part works through plastic/glass up tilde 8 mn. Onboard status LED. Pin out. VCC right arrow 3.3V or 5V. GND right arrow GND. I/SIG right arrow any digital pin high when touched. Touch control without moving parts modern, reliable, waterproof, perfect for lamps, menus, keyboards, home automation and any no button project. Component MFRC 522 RFID module 13.56 MHz plus MEFA 1K card and key fob. Type 13.56 MHz RFID/NFC reader/writer. Key specs operating voltage 3.3V important, 5V kills the chip. Interface SPI high speed. Supported cars MEFA classic 1K/4K, ultralight ANTAC DESFire. Read/write distance 0.5 cm card/0.3 cm key fob. Current tilde 26 mA active, 1 micro sleep. Built-in antenna plus level shifter safe with 5V Arduino. Comes with 1x S50 white card plus 1x key fob. Pinout standard Arduino. 3.3V right arrow 3.3V. GND right arrow GND. RST right arrow digital pin usually 9. SDASS right arrow digital pin 10. MOSI right arrow pin 11. MISO right arrow pin 12. SCK right arrow pin 13. IRQ right arrow optional. Access control attendance system. Door lock, inventory, payment, identification the most popular and powerful tap-to-do technology for Arduino. This Arduino accessories list was created by R&M LAB GH. It's just a small part of everything we'll be using in the upcoming videos. You'll see these components in action very soon in the projects we're preparing for you. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, let us know in the comments. If you want the sequel and to explore the full world of Arduino accessories, write it below. For info, collaborations or requests, mail rmlabgh@gmail.com. Thank you so much for the support, guys.